Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to engage your friends or group members with a poll? Let's create one on Telegram. The first step is to open your Telegram and go to the group or channel where you want to create the poll. Tap on the paperclip icon next to the message input feed, then select poll. The options are right below the page. Enter the question in the poll question field, then add option for answer in the answer option field. You can enable anonymous voting, allow multiple answers, or use quiz mode by toggling the setting at the bottom. Once you are ready, tap on send to send it to the group. Easy as that. Now you can collect votes and see the results right in Telegram. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.